Can you imagine going from zero to a massive online success in just a few short months? Today, I'm going to share the incredible journey of Token6789, who did exactly that. From barely starting out to becoming a YouTube sensation and online earning expert, Token6789 cracked the code with 4 crucial strategies. If you're eager to uncover these secrets and apply them to your own path, you won't want to miss this video. Stick around because these insights could be the game changer you've been looking for. And number 4 is very important, but how did he do it so quickly? Let's break down the 4 key strategies that made all the difference. Strategy 1, niche focus. Token6789 zeroed in on cryptocurrency and online earning, a niche that's not only trending but also has a high demand for quality content. By becoming an expert in this field, he attracted a dedicated audience looking for reliable insights. Why is this important? In the crowded YouTube landscape, standing out is tough. Focusing on a niche helps you establish yourself as an authority. Token's viewers relied on him for accurate, in-depth information, fostering a loyal following who eagerly anticipated his insights. Specializing in a niche allowed him to rise above the noise, providing valuable content to a targeted audience. This niche focus enabled him to dive deep into topics, offering more value and detailed analysis that general content couldn't match. For viewers hungry for in-depth knowledge, Token became a trusted source. Strategy 2, consistent content. Production. Consistency is crucial. Token6789 committed to a regular upload schedule, ensuring his audience always had fresh content to look forward to. Why does it work? Posting consistently creates a habit for viewers, increasing engagement and subscriber retention. YouTube's algorithm also favors regular uploads, helping Token's videos get recommended to more viewers. By sticking to a schedule, he built anticipation and reliability, turning casual viewers into devoted subscribers. This approach helped him establish trust with his audience, making them more likely to stay engaged and support his channel. Consistency also allowed him to refine his content strategy based on viewer feedback and performance metrics, continually improving the quality of his videos. Strategy 3, leveraging social media. To amplify his reach, Token6789 actively promoted his YouTube content on platforms like Twitter and Telegram. Engaging with communities and sharing insights drove traffic to his channel. Why is this effective? Social media promotion builds a network of loyal followers who support and share your content, creating a larger, more engaged audience. By interacting with fans and participating in relevant discussions, Token fostered a sense of community and trust around his brand, making his audience more invested in his success. Social media also allowed him to tap into different user bases, cross-promoting his content and gaining exposure to potential subscribers who might not have discovered his channel otherwise. Strategy 4, community engagement. Token 6789 prioritized engaging with his community, responding to comments, and participating in discussions. This created a strong bond with his viewers. Why is this important? Engaging with your audience makes them feel valued and connected to your brand, increasing loyalty and word-of-mouth promotion. By actively participating in his community, Token6789 built a network of supporters who were more likely to share his content and promote his channel. This two-way communication helped him understand his audience better, allowing him to create content that resonated more deeply with their interests and needs. While these strategies were pivotal, it wasn't always smooth sailing. Token6789 faced challenges, but his resilience and adaptability made all the difference.
2,000 years later.
Today, Token6789's channel boasts a large, loyal following, numerous sponsorship deals, and significant influence in the online earning and cryptocurrency communities. His story is a testament to the power of hard work and strategic planning. To sum it up, Token6789's journey from obscurity to online success is both inspiring and educational. Whether you're looking to grow your own YouTube channel or explore new online earning opportunities, there's so much to learn from his story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories and practical tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.